Hello guys. So in this video we will learn about how to start with automation. So we are going to use few things like first one is Selenium, second one Maven, third Eclipse for our automation, and we will be using Chrome browser. So let's get started. So if I am to use Eclipse, then this is the Eclipse and I will be creating a new project and I will type Maven. You will see these option over here. Maven, you need to select Maven project. The benefit of Maven is like it used to give us a project structure as well as an XML file which contains multiple dependencies. Previous to this Maven project, we have to download the dependencies from internet and attach to this project. But Maven provide this facility by adding the dependencies. So we will use Maven. We'll click on next, click on create simple project. Next, whatever name you want to give, Selenium testing, and you need to keep the artifact ID same as it is. These are the things that will help us when we are going to create a jar file. That is the next thing that we will be doing, but not right now. So just when you finish it, you will find the M icon in the Selenium testing. So this is M. It means to say our project is Maven project. When you click on this arrow, you will find that this is the structure. Maybe you will find your structure in this format. And the structure is like src main java. Src is your source code, main java. In this we will be keeping our java related code or some utilities files, but we need to concentrate on src test java. In this module we are going to use our code. So I have created this by Selenium and this has the same structure. So within this src test java, I will right click on it and create a package. What is a package? It used to keep your similar files within it. You must have heard about sanity and smoke cute, and this is something like that. Just relate it to that right now. So I have created a Selenium test package, and within this package I have right click on it, new and class. I have provided the class name and finish it. So launch browser is the class which I have used. Now I need to put the dependencies because I am to use Selenium for automation. So what I will do, Selenium Java Maven dependency. As we are using Maven, so we can use this. So once you search that, you will find the Maven dependencies. So just click on it, go to this page, and 4.8.1 we have to copy these things, copy and paste it within the form.xml. So right now, when you create a new project, you will find something like that. Okay, as you can see in our this project. So this is similar to that. So in here we are going to add the dependencies. So when you type dep control space, click on it, dependencies tag is there. Now need to paste your dependencies. So this is 4.8.1 dependency. When you save it, you will see it is getting downloaded. So once it gets downloaded, then we need to go to our package and right click on it, class first Selenium test. Now as we are using Java, so we need to get this main method. But if you haven't done this, no problem, we'll see here. So everything, you know, that everything that is belongs to this class will be executed through main method. If you don't have main method, then there is no need, or there is no need to execute this class, and there is no starting point of execution. So for bringing main method, type main control space, you will see main method. So this is what main method. For checking your code, you need to understand some shortcuts. For printing S by SO, control space, this is same. Now, hello, testing. To execute your test case, right click on it, run as Java application. So you can see hello testing is getting printed in console. But what if I haven't used main method? Then when you right click on it, run, there will be no run as a Java application. That's why main method is necessary for executing your test code. So now we right click on it, you'll see Java application. You need to understand this. In future, we will discuss about each and every detail of these things. What is void, what is main, what is this and this, what is system.out.print, and what is this, and why these brackets, what is class, and all those things we'll discuss about. Right now, we are using Java to execute our first test case. Then we will use this. Now, as we are using Selenium, we will be using WebDriver. So when you write WebDriver and control space, you will find that WebDriver org Selenium M2. Just click on it, type the reference variable and new Chrome driver. In Selenium 4, we have this interesting thing, like you do not need to pass the path of Chrome driver. You have to just write in this way. But the important thing is, like, you should have 4 plus Selenium Java dependency. I mean, the version need to be greater than or equal to 4. Now you have created a reference variable. Right, the WebDriver is the interface. We'll see like what is the meaning of the syntax in future. Now, if I need to go to or open any browser, then I will be using driver.get. So how I'll get this driver dot type get, you'll see this string and you will see the document of that. Like load a new page current browser window, this is done using an HTTP post operation, and the method will block until the load is complete. This is page load strategy. This will follow redirect issue either by the server or meta direct. So some information is there. You can see that what is the parameter URL. The URL to load must be fully qualified URL and something like that. Now we'll double click on it and need to pass the URL as exact URL what you want. So we if I need to open a website, I need to copy the URL of it and paste it over here. Now I can right click on it, click on run and run as a Java application. So you'll see something is getting loaded. If any problem is there, we'll see what is that. But right now we can see the red icon or red button is there. It means to say our program is in progress. So this is what we have got. Now the browser got launched. You'll see Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. And here, whatever URL you have given in your test, it will be appear over here. So this is what you have got. The browser window is not maximized that because we haven't used some maximizing. If you want, you can use driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. You can use in this way. And right now this browser is not getting close, so we can use driver dot close. This will close our browser. So just run again, you will see the magic. Chrome has been started, browser gets maximized, and our URL will be passed in the address bar. Yes. So once everything's there, there is some exception that would be the socket related connection recat socket exception. So this exception used to come, but our test case got passed. So we'll see what is the error in next connection not. So this is all about your first test case of Selenium.